Welcome, today I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option into XIAOMI Redmi tab. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose Settings. Here go into Google Assistant and now choose Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now tap here on this feature to activate your Hey Google. And now need give access to your assistant, tap Next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue, and not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.